Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's in-depth exploration of project initiation. I'm thrilled to guide you through the essential steps of defining goals, scope, and stakeholders. This knowledge is key to laying a strong foundation for successful project management. Let's get started. Our first crucial step is defining project goals. Imagine goals as the North Star guiding your project. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, the SMART criteria. Taking the time to set clear objectives ensures everyone is on the same page and working towards a unified vision. Moving on to our second step, defining scope. Scope outlines what your project will achieve and the boundaries it operates within. Clearly defining these boundaries prevents scope creep, those unexpected additions that can throw your project off course. Remember, a well-defined scope is your project's roadmap to success. Now, let's delve into the world of stakeholders. Identifying and engaging with all parties involved is crucial. Stakeholders can be internal or external, and understanding their needs and expectations is vital for project success. Effective stakeholder management builds strong relationships and ensures a smoother project journey. Communication is the glue that holds your project together. Establish clear lines of communication from the beginning. Regular updates, feedback loops, and transparent reporting keep everyone informed and engaged. The right communication strategy can make or break a project. No project is without risks. Identifying potential risks early on allows you to develop strategies to mitigate them. Understanding the possible challenges and having contingency plans in place ensures that your project remains resilient, even in the face of uncertainty. Before we wrap up, let's create a project initiation checklist. This will serve as your go-to guide for future projects, ensuring you never miss a crucial step. Include items like goal definition, scope outline, stakeholder identification, communication plan, and risk management strategies. Efficiently assigning and utilizing resources is essential. This includes human resources, time, and budget. Proper allocation ensures optimal productivity and minimizes bottlenecks. Timeline creation. Establishing a realistic timeline is crucial. Break down tasks, set milestones, and create a timeline that allows for flexibility while keeping your project on track. Quality assurance. Ensure that your project meets the required quality standards. Implement checks and balances throughout the project lifecycle to deliver a product or service that exceeds expectations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to project initiation. Remember, success starts with a solid foundation. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow project enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more project management insights. Until next time, happy initiating!